मुशीराबाद गर्ल्स हॉस्टल में थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो गया था खाने का, तो गर्ल्स अबाउट 35 children got affected with that. I think they got some type of an infection. Food was not proper actually. We have already taken action. We have suspended the people who are looking after this, the principal and the people who provide the food जो भी करते हैं. And now अभी जो भी मैं देखा हूँ तो लोग बच्चे स्टेबल है. Some girls have little bit more infection. So some of them will be discharged also. 15-20 लोग discharge भी हो जाएंगे. और the some are shifted to another hospital because they have slightly more infection, and they need to be under observation. So itna at the moment this is what it is, and all the doctors here are taking good care of them. I have spoken to the parents also. The parents also are very happy with the way the doctors are taking care. All the nurses and the whole hospital is behind all the girls. But there are some girls who have little more infection. उनको थोड़ा सा पेट में दर्द हो रहा है. बट लेकिन आज 15 लोग तो इंशाल्लाह लड़की लोग डिस्चार्ज हो जाएंगे, और जो थोड़े जो लड़कियां हैं उनको ऑब्जर्वेशन में रखेंगे. तो बट दे आर स्टेबल, दे आर नथिंग रॉन्ग विद देम, बट मे बी बिकॉज दे हैव स्लाइटली more infected with the food poisoning. So they will be there for another 2 or 3 days, and then after that they will be discharged as well. But it's a very unfortunate thing, but we have taken very stringent action, and then it should not have happened, but it has happened. So we are very strict on those lines, and because children should be provided with good food, nutritious food, and not this type of food. I have taken action, and we have suspended the people who are involved in this, and inshallah everything will be fine.
లాస్ట్ టైం కూడా కొంతమంది చనిపోవడం కూడా జరిగింది హాస్టల్లో.
Yes, that was long back. I don't know what happened before that, so I really don't know. I am just talking. अभी जो बात हुई वो when we are taking good care of them. जो whatever happened, I cannot correct it now. But now whatever has happened today, and that whatever happened also is very bad, very sad, and it should not happen. It should not have happened this time also, but it has happened, and we are very strict on those lines, and we have taken immediate action. And then inshallah we will next time instruct every school to first actually taste the food and then give it to the children.
అంటే 400 పీపుల్స్ ఉంటే ఓన్లీ 30 ఈ మెంబర్స్ కి ఎందుకు అట్లా అయింది?
So थोड़े लोग को इन्फेक्शन हो गया, खाना हो जाता. Everybody doesn't have to get infected. हर बार some people are strong रहता, उनका इम्यूनिटी स्ट्रांग रहती, और बच्चे उनकी इम्यूनिटी अच्छी नहीं रहती तो कम रहती, तो उसी वजह से हुआ है. बट लेकिन देखिए it's a negligence है on part of people who have provided, whoever is providing the food there, and we have taken action. Inshallah next time we will try and correct and make sure that this type of things don't happen again.
అంటే కాంగ్రెస్ పార్టీ ప్రభుత్వం ఏర్పడినప్పటి నుంచి ఇట్లా ఫుడ్ పాయిజన్ ఘటనలు చాలా జరుగుతున్నాయి అని చెప్పేసి.
No, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. This is actually, I am not here to talk about politically. I am not going to say anything because it is affecting the children. Because the children are for me more important than anything else. So please don't make it political, because the children are very good. The government is taking good care of them. The only thing, these incidents have happened. I mean, as you have said, many incidents are happening. I mean, I have not seen it. I have not heard it. But my madam was saying that it happened about some months back, or I don't know. At that time I was not there. But we'll make sure that these things will not happen. It is not a political thing here. I am here for the children, and I am here for their well-being. That is for me is more important than और कोई दूसरी चीज़ होता है. Because please do not make it political. And also I request everybody, all, because your esteemed reporters, I know you all want to have everybody. You have a deadline. You have a lot of competition among yourself also. So you also want to go there. Please, if you can avoid for some time, to going there all the time. And
ఇన్నిసార్లు కూడా ఫుడ్ పాయిజన్ అయ్యి హాస్టళ్లలో పిల్లలు ఇబ్బంది పడుతున్నారు, కొంతమంది ప్రాణాలే కోల్పోతున్నారు. అయినప్పటికీ కూడా మరి ముఖ్యమంత్రి గారు మాత్రం ఎప్పుడు హాస్టల్స్ ని సందర్శించట్లేదు, తన గేమ్స్ మీద ఫోకస్ పెడుతున్నారు అంటున్నారు.
No, we are taking care. There is nothing we cannot talk about the CM. CM has got nothing to do here. I mean, is the ministry, our ministry. You have to take care of it, and then we are taking proper care. And I will inform the Chief Minister also what has happened. The respected Chief Minister. A statement, anybody can give any statement. So the statements are very, in this type also things, even for this thing you blame our party, which is also not right. I think this is not a political session. We are not going to take any point. Did I say that everything is okay? I said that okay, there is a problem, this thing has happened. So I am owning that responsibility. I'm not running away from the responsibility. But then people talking like that, it is not a very good sign. You are playing politics on children. Because the children are ill. No, we have suspended all the people. How many? The secretary will say, all three, the people who provide food, and then I think the principal, deputy warden, and chief.
ఇలాంటి ఘటనలు జరగకుండా ఏం చర్యలు తీసుకోవాలి?
No, we have to, as I've said, first of all, I will instruct, today I have already instructed every, hostel, wherever there is a hostel, and instructed that they should eat the food first and then provide to the children. At the moment, that's all I have.
Thank you.